What if the coaching advice we've trusted for decades is actually harming athletes? As a physical therapist with 15 years in sports medicine, I've seen athletes who ruined their bodies, not from wrong training, but from faithfully following what they were told was right coaching. The ideal form you've been taught doesn't exist. In 1993, Newell showed movement emerges from interaction between your body, the task, and environment. Your joints and muscle patterns are unique, so why expect one correct form for everyone? Researchers found huge variations in Major League Baseball pitchers' mechanics, even among the best. Elite tennis players show completely different patterns. There's no single ideal form at highest levels, yet in youth development, we insist on one way. When coaches say focus on your knee or elbow angle, they're using internal attention focus. Studies since 2001 show focusing internally on body parts decreases performance versus external focus on movement effects. Internal focus turns automatic movements into stiff conscious control. Muscles overtense. Timing disrupts. Load concentrates. Injuries happen. Injuries are multifactorial, not just about form. It's anatomical factors. Neuromuscular control, fatigue, contact, and environment combined. Yet we blame and fix just form. Strength isn't just muscle. In 1957, Henneman showed force depends on nervous system recruitment. In 2001, Gandevia reported brain's limit output to protect from injury called central inhibition. When athletes feel weak despite normal strength, the brain applies brakes. If they're afraid or told to avoid movements, fear suppresses neural output. Consider dedicated athletes who never miss practice. Follow every instruction, do extra work, then suddenly injure. This isn't luck, it's predictable. Rapid load increases spike injury risk. When you change form, muscle patterns change immediately and loads redistribute. But neural adaptation happens quickly while tissue takes weeks or months. The nervous system learns fast, but tendons aren't ready. That gap causes injuries. Dedicated athletes push through discomfort thinking they need better form. Load accumulates until something tears. Why do some improve while others plateau? Movement variability and adaptability. Research showed healthy movement contains optimal variability. Skilled performers have fluctuations while maintaining results. Fixed movement increases injury risk because load hits same tissues. Improving athletes make micro-adjustments. Plateauing athletes reproduce exact taught form. What needs changing? First, change language. Instead of bend your knee, say push into ground. Focus on outcome, not body part, engaging external attention. Second, manipulate constraints. Don't correct movements. Change distance, weight, tempo, rules. Movement self-organizes. Third, make load visible. Track duration, exertion, sleep, pain. Fourth, create safety. Pain and fear alter motor control. Finally, allow variability. Let athletes experiment. That's adaptation. The issue isn't wrong, coaches. We're using outdated assumptions. That one ideal form exists. That conscious control improves movement. That more effort means better adaptation. Sports science moved beyond these. Coach more scientifically. Movement emerges from constraints. Nervous systems need safety for force. Tissue adapts slower than nerves. Skilled movement includes variability, not rigidity. Your instruction isn't neutral. Every cue facilitates or inhibits function. Every correction promotes exploration or creates fear. Succeeding athletes match your created constraints. Injured athletes might face environments where nervous systems can't function and tissues can't adapt fast enough. Small changes make differences. External focus costs nothing. Varying practice requires no equipment. Tracking load takes minutes. Reducing fear is mindset. Allowing variability means letting go. Athletes trust you. That demands evidence-based methods, not tradition. Asking if coaching creates adaptation or compliance. Correct coaching doesn't break athletes. But coaching prioritizing conformity over adaptation, appearance over function, short-term over long-term breaks athletes through misunderstanding movement. Does your coaching align with biological principles? Bodies respond to actual demands created. If demands respect constraints and capacities, they adapt. If not, they compensate until breaking. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.